It's all because of the money. The reason why you should learn Swift or Kotlin is because it's all about the money. If it's not about the money for you, I don't know what world you live in. I don't know how you pay the bills, all right? The bills need to get paid no matter what. I know that there's people that are out there like proliferating the need of use of C++, Objective-C, Java. But right now, if you're learning how to code, you should learn something that's on the forefront. And I don't know what's more on the forefront than Swift or Kotlin. The reason why I don't recommend going into front-end web development or back-end web development is because you have to learn JavaScript. And JavaScript being a dynamic type language, it gets hairy. And the frameworks that you have to work in JavaScript, be it React, fuck React, Angular, fuck Angular, all that shit, it's so complicated. And it is an ecosphere that is always in disruption. In my opinion, as someone who is in this game, right? I've only been in the game for a little over 4 years. Actually, not even 4 years. And I'm making major bread. There's people that I know who started doing like web development much long before I got into the game myself. And I just know that I'm making way more bread than them while they're working in JavaScript. I do know that JavaScript is powerful. I do know that JavaScript can do everything. But trust me, if you think that JavaScript is really like Flutter is going to take over the native languages of Swift and Kotlin and iOS and Android respectively, you're out your mind, man. There's always people who listen to the promise of creating, two platforms with one language. And to me, as a native developer on both platforms, they're out their mind. Because sure, you can make a table view, something simple like a table view or a list view on with Flutter or with Xamarin. But when it comes to something more in depth, more native, like dealing with cameras, what else is there? Dealing with the AR kits, you're not going to be doing that shit in a hybrid language. So anyways, back to the point. If you're going to be learning how to develop, my opinion, in terms of the resources you got, like books, seminars, tutorials, there's nothing more readily available for you to tackle than mobile development. And I don't know, I might be tripping, but I know that there's JavaScript jobs around the world, like junior jobs that are 60, 70,000 a year. That's low as fuck, man. And it seems like to me, when you're working on a junior mobile iOS or Android position, that shit starts at like 80 grand. So you do yourself a favor, man. If you're starting to learn how to code now, you got to learn some language of now, not of yesterday. So that's why you should learn Swift or Kotlin. And it's your boy Codehova from Combinator. I already got a course out that's free. If you need to learn how to start development, I got Pimpin' Swift. It's going to be in the comments below. And then after you learn how to do Swift, then you could move on to iOS Hustler. It's your boy Codehova. Let's get it.